So, I went and built myself a metal lathe. Got most of the material from Midway Iron. Got a 4-inch steel I-beam, which is a particularly hard steel. Had a heck of a time tapping it for the cap screws that hold the rails on. The rails were simply 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch cold rolled steel with 3/4 by 1/2 inch, or excuse me, 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch cold rolled steel underneath and bolted in all the way through. Again, had a heck of a time tapping that I-beam. I broke 4 decent taps trying to put the thing together, but such is life. Got a tailstock for a mini lathe from Amazon. Chinese, so-so quality. It works. And I got a headstock that I'd used before, again from Amazon. 3-inch chuck. Speed control from a treadmill. And motor from a treadmill. And it's just simply belt drive. Made the carriage myself. It uses bearing rails and a compound slide, again from Amazon. I guess the whole thing cost me about $275 plus the steel, about $400 altogether. Yes, I could have bought a Chinese 7x12 from Vivor, but other than the fact that I can't cut threads with this, though I think I could rig up some kind of gearbox, it's actually very stable, very smooth running. Let's see how she does. Run it at 1500 RPM. So, does the job, and it was fun to build. Hope you all got some ideas from this. Maybe a little encouragement to build your own metal lathe. You guys all have yourself a good day. Bye.